So, guys, if you've been following the American election, you can see that Trump win the election. Now, my biggest concern is with the illegal immigrants because, as you guys know, the last time Trump win, his main target was illegal immigrants living in America. Okay, we don't forget all the things them what we hear and we see in the news what happened to all these people that didn't have papers living there, even the kids in the school, right? They were targeting them, saying that they're aliens pretty much because their parents illegal, you understand, but they were born there, all kind of something around that, right? Also, it's not just in America because in Canada right now it's like same immigration closed for the next 2 years in Canada. No joke. All right. They are trying to cut back. That's it. That is the plan for the next 2 years, 2025 to 2027 in Canada, to cut back um on immigration. Right? No. If anybody is telling you that you should, any family, close friend, it don't matter who, I tell you, say you must come and come stay with them. Them have a link and this and that. Me, I tell you, say, don't take that bait. All right? Because once you reach here, you're going to see the true colors of these people. You see, after 2 weeks, you overstay, you're welcome. I go say, but I am then tell me, you tell me, them tell me to come on this and blah blah blah, and no problem. Yes, because you see when somebody get up out of them bed and go work and come back, especially in the winter, and when they come back, they come find you in the same spot where they left you, and every minute you got in a fridge, right? Every minute fridge door open, you just eat, and them have to get up out of the bed and go work. And come back. It now go smooth. You understand? It not go smooth. Me, I telling you from now. Okay? Because one thing with Canada or America for sure is bills. And bills equal stress. And stress make people go crazy. So you see when time people stress out and can't find money and you just slung there, now do nothing. Remember, some of them are people are same one tell up you coming up. But when you come and nothing and go on for you and it link now work out. And you just they home not doing anything. They don't okay. They don't want you there. They overstay. They don't want you there anymore. It's time to go. They start treat you some way, right? And they know. Then we all not buy no food put in our fridge. No food, no in the house for eat, for cook, not even did for drink. And you think say you the back home, and they for hungry and suffer. Hey, you just wait until you come here and don't have no money. You find out how hard it is because some of them you even work with them and because they don't have any papers, right? They don't treat you good, right? They don't sometimes they don't want even pay, so then we all want to trick you. You work all week and a man don't pay you after when Friday come, you don't see him and you work all week, right? And no matter what you have to eat, and if you stay somewhere, even if they say you don't have to pay the rent, you have to contribute to some bills or grocery or whatever. But this is how these people say because who you gonna really and truly report this to? Remember, say you're an alien in the people them country, and you see how immigration was one time back in the days or whatever, couple years ago. Immigration has changed drastically, even here in Canada. I'm telling you, they might kick out on the international student. They might make the work permit harder. They might make getting your papers here even harder because they're saying that too many people are coming into the country and they need to cut back for the next 2 years. So guess what? It's harder. It's harder, right? You're lucky if you come and you find somebody where honest. We can get a look at hustle, right? You know, you're not supposed to hustle, but you know where you go, right? You if you come and you can find somebody honest, me I tell you say use one of the luckiest bird on this Alania. Me I tell you the luckiest creature. Yeah, because the thing is, you think you know somebody from back home, you guys, whatever, we're close and this and that, close friend, close family. But the thing is, like I said before in my last video, foreign change people. So you come and the person that you're expecting and the friendship and this and that that you're expecting, it's no longer there, right? People change, right? So you have to be careful. American people have a saying, say, if fish tell us a shark out of sea, believe him. Or if fish tell us a sea deep, believe it, because I him out there and I live out there. Right? So I'm not saying to give up on your dreams of traveling and working and migrating. We just have to say, plan good, be careful, come with some money. That is what I'm saying. Because we all want to better our life. We all want to do better, improve yourself, right? And a lot of us who grew up and we never have it, and so we want to take care of our parents, we want to take care of ourselves, we want to do better, we want to, make sure so our children don't go through the same thing what we go through, right? So if there's an opportunity, we want to take that opportunity to improve ourselves, to make ourselves better, right? I believe in that. We believe in trying to leave something for your pitney them. But gone are the days when people now left nothing for them pitney, blah blah blah. Not every people at Jamaica, because those say me don't know how come, but me not have no land down there. Anyways, guys, on a serious note, I'm just gonna encourage you guys to just plan carefully if you're planning to migrate. Okay, make sure you have a solid plan, and if that plan falls through, because life full of unexpected events all the time, sickness, this, that, accident, whatever. We not wish nothing bad for ourselves, but we just say we don't control what goes on, what happened in our life, right? So you have to have a plan B to always have a backup plan, right? Because I'm telling you, it's not easy to be illegal in Canada, right? And I'm going to think it's the same if you're in America. It's not easy to survive. It's rough, and you even end up living worse than when you were living back home, whether Jamaica, whichever country you're coming from. All right. So guys, I hope you guys like this video. Big up to my last person on my last video who told me that my video was low, so I got this little mic on Amazon for about $9.99. Not bad. So I hope this video you can hear me. Big up, big up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.